What's happening? This is Sunday. You know what time it is. Keenan just felt like cooking. Alright, check out what I'm going to put on the smoker. I cannot wait to do this. I've been waiting a long time. Check this out. Alright, so what I got here is a 11 and some change pound turkey. And a little over 11 pounds. And what I did was I seasoned it last night in this Jamaican jerk rub. So yeah, I'm doing some jerk turkey. Alright, so I got this bad boy injected and infected. Alright, yeah. A little swollen, as you can see. Butter running out the little injection points. But why I like using butter is that the butter solidifies in the meat fibers, in the muscle. And when the heat hits it, it just melts and bases it from the inside. So that's my own little theory and thing on that. And of course, with anything in this house, we got to add a little bit of Goya. So before I throw it on some smoke, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this Goya Total Seasoning, the perfect seasoning, and we're going to get it to burning. Alright, back in a minute. So I got this joker on here, as you can see. It's purring, nice and seasoned up, butter injected. You know, we're going to let it go. I got it on this cherry wood, sprinkled with some pecan chips. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this up so I don't lose too much smoke. We're going to check in about 30 minutes. You know what time it is. Back in a minute. It's been about 35 minutes. And as you can see, that little kidney part right there decided to fall through the grate. But most likely it's going to hit that bottom one, and I'll just continue cooking it down there, and we'll pull it later. But there's the neck, the heart. I don't know if that's the gizzard. I don't know. But bird is doing good. It's not looking too ashy. Okay, so we about a good hour in. Yeah, it's looking good. Looking real good. So what I'm doing now is I'm just basting this bad boy with some good old butter. Just dabbing it up in there. Keep the skin nice and crispy. Yeah. Alright. So I'm going to continue basting this bad boy. I'm going to add some more charcoal and a couple more wood chips. And then we're going to let it roll out and see where we're at in about another hour. Alright. Your boy Keenan. That is jerk turkey. And I'm going to get a sauce together too. So, oh yeah, we're not just going to eat smoked bird without something to dip it in. Back in a minute. Alright, so of course I was at the grocery store again. Trying to get what we could. Still crazy out there. But, just like the last time, the world of peeps have expanded. Check out what I found. Yes, that is right. Pancake and syrup peeps. Look like a little light-skinned dude in there. Alright, of course we gotta try it. Let's get a bite. Alright. They smell good. Let's try one. Light skin, homie. I mean, they alright. You got a little pancake taste to it. Of course, the maple syrup. You know, pretty good. Okay. Let's get back to this turkey. Alright. It's like a lot of bees around here right now. It's about 2 hours. And for the past 2 hours, after about the first 30 minutes, I checked it and everything was going good, and then I waited another 30 minutes. About an hour in, I was basting it with butter every like 15-20 minutes, and it's coming along fine. All right, okay, that's looking good. Like the butter is definitely did some justice. Skin is nice and man, that is seasoned. All right, so let's check the temp of this breast. All right, so I set it for 162, and I don't know if you can see that, but we ready. So let's just wrap this bad boy up and let it sit and get a sauce together. Okay, so on to this sauce. I got 2 tablespoons of butter here melted, and what I just added was 1/4 pack cup of brown sugar. And then to that, I'm adding this honey ginger soy. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of that. Honey ginger soy. Actually, I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of that. So you're gonna add 1/2 cup of that. And then what I'm adding to it is 1/4 cup of what I call the Nate Dogg of sauces. That right there. If you didn't know, now you know. So we adding some of this Frank's stinging garlic. Stinging honey garlic. Yeah. So we got the honey ginger soy, the Frank's stinging honey garlic, some butter, and some brown sugar. And I'm gonna get this all mixed up. I'm gonna taste it, see what direction I want to go with it. I think it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna let it reduce and glaze up, and then we're gonna be using this as a glaze for the turkey. All right, back in a minute. All right, so what I chose for my side is I'm gonna go ahead and make me a good pot of some cheese grits. That's right, jerk turkey and grits only from your boy Keenan. I'm just trying to tell you. Alright, so what I got in here, some regular grits. Followed the recipe right there for 4 servings. And with the liquid, I used 2 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. I didn't put any salt. And then for the grits, I measured out 3/4 of a cup. And the proper measurement utensil for dry ingredients, but I put it in here so I could pour it in. So as you can see, we're starting to get a little bubblage on the edge right there. I'm gonna go ahead and pour these in here and get to stirring them so we can avoid clumpage. And then to it, I'm adding some good old American cheese and some good old cheddar. Yeah. All right, back in a minute. Okay, so we got these grits done. And I added the American cheese and the cheddar. I like that combination. I think I'm gonna add 1 more slice of American in there. Oh wait, no, there it goes. Yeah, we all right. So yeah, the color change, nice and creamy. It's a big debate on grits. How to do what to do what to put in them. I don't put sugar in my grits. I didn't grow up like that. Cheese and black pepper. Eat that bad boy with some eggs. Alright. So the grits is done. And if you really want to put some stank on your grits, check this out. Alright, so like I said, if you really want to put some stank on your grits, there we go. Do you a dollop. Yeah. Adds a little extra creaminess, some little twang, you know. Just a little tip out there for all those who think they don't know how to make good grits or they come out too stiff or watery. Do you a dollop. Alright. Back in a minute with a nice good bowl of Keenan's jerk turkey and grits. Oh yeah. Here's the bird. There's the sauce. That sauce tastes good. If you can find that one little honey ginger soy sauce at the store, I got it from Keely's Market. All right, so here's this turkey. Nice good sized turkey, man. I mean, look at that. That's sexy. That is a sexy looking bird right there. I hope nobody's using that thermometer that it comes with. Yeah, threw that away. Look at that. Juices. Man, nice and clear. Alright, so here's a test. How you know it's done. Breast was clocked in at 162. And look, oh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. Alright, so I'm going to get some sliced up, of course, and get it on top of some of these grits and some of this sauce. Man, look at that. That is cool. If they had smell-o-vision, man, I'm trying to tell you. Alright, back in a minute. There it is. I just took some of that breast and pulled it apart. That's how juicy it was. I mean, look at that. That's breast meat. And the whole thing was like that. That's not just a little piece I'm fronting on. But look at that, nice and seasoned. Not too much of a smoke ring in there, but you definitely taste the smoke. The pecan did some justice. So now, what I'm going to do is this. This is how I'm eating mine. Yeah. You want some of that sauce. Some of that nice sauce. Remember, this is on top of some cheese grits. Yeah. Let me get a little bit more. Do like how they do on TV. Alright. Yeah, might as well just use this spoon. So let's check this out, man. Jerk turkey, smoked jerk turkey, and cheese grits with a nice little honey, ginger, spicy garlic soy glaze. Might be on some here. Straight smoked turkey and grits. This is amazing. Alright. Got it done. Smoked my turkey. Did a straight jerk turkey. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, it's your boy Keenan. One.